and it's kind of pretty. I like the white and the gold. It also is super discreet. It looks kind of like a lipstick. Install battery. Grab the upper section of the unit with one hand, the bottom half with the other, and pull apart. I am gonna go find a AA battery and put it in here. I am back. I'm gonna stick it in. I'm gonna pop this bugger back in. Turn unit on. Just slide the gold switch upward. Oh, I am so scared right now. Should I try it on my arm first? Okay, ready, set, go. Oh my gosh. Wow, I am in shock. I don't think it pulls the hair out. I think it just shaves it down. I'm not sure. Does it pull it out? Whatever it does, it is definitely working. Can you tell I have a bald spot on my arm now? Cleaning. Let's see if there's actually hair inside. Twist the rotating hair removal head counterclockwise and lift off. How do I lift this off? Oh, there. There's definitely hair inside. Then I think you just take the brush and you brush it out of here and you brush it out of there. And it's clean. Ooh. You're supposed to do it on your face, so that's what we will do. All right, I did one side and not the other, so I'm gonna come close up and you tell me if you could tell the difference. This is the side I just did, and then I did not do this side. Let's block this pimple out so you don't have to look at my pimple. This is the side I just did with the Flawless hair remover. And this is the side I did not do. I don't know if you can really see, but I definitely do still have hair here. And I don't think I see any hair here. And it was super easy. It also says it has a little light on it, which it does. The light is supposed to be for precision so that you can see what you're doing. The light is all the way down here. I don't